We have subtraction of algebraic fractions. How we do this? We need to have the same denominator to subtract algebraic fractions, the same like we do subtraction of fractions. So first we have to check what we have here in the denominator. We have t and t. So of course we need to have t in the least common denominator. And because we have 7 and 5, so the smallest number which is divisible by 7 and 5 is 35. So let me copy again first this two algebraic fractions. And like I said, the least common denominator will be t, and 7 times 5 is 35. Always in the denominator we need to have expression which is divisible by the first denominator and by the second. 75t is divisible by 70 and by 5t. So everything is okay. And now, because in the first denominator we have only 7 and now we have 35, it means we have to multiply this denominator by 5, and when I multiply this denominator by 5, I have to multiply numerator by the same number. So now 7 times 5 is 35 and we have t, so the same like we have at the beginning. And in the second denominator we have to have 35, so I have to multiply this 5 by 7 to get 35, and when I multiply this denominator by 7, I have to multiply numerator by the same number which I multiply denominator. So now we have 7 times 5 is 35, and t we copy. 5 times 5 is 25. This is our first algebraic fraction, and next we have minus the same denominator. 5 times 7 is 35, and t we copy. 4 times 7 is 28. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominator, we copy denominator and we subtract numerators. 25 minus 28. So this is equal negative 3 over 35t. We cannot reduce here anything, so this is my solution.